not. I'm repeating. That the Lumba soul is at the entrance and he is not happy. You have opened his privacy once he has not finished what he's supposed to do. In the name of book of condolence.
1 Samuel
28.
28.
You can read from verse. Continue from verse 7 quickly so that you get what I'm talking about.
May New King James on.
No, yeah, NIV. NIV will help you. Yeah, original manuscript. 28. 1 Samuel 28. It is biblical. And I'm saying, say, the man we are all making noise, we are mourning. We have traditionally truncated the process, so he's at the entrance. We have opened his privacy to people that are not supposed to enter before him. They went ahead of him. And here, their implication. Ye call hospital. Na ye obi akoto ayaresa bia na nipa kan chirigua. Ye mfa telephone frɛ wo hospital say we da bi.
Ku. Se me pese me di hu no no. I am saying ke take years. Ansa na maye dey be hu no. Na me da ho no mu onyame ma na ba me nche no. To be frank, e shoko me, e che me nsem. Legend ba me nche asem o kan ya ne se me nua ba. Menya nente yese onipa firi ne body mu a aya na wotimi ne wokasa eni nti me pese me ma wonkara na wode made be oba papa bi me yere ba kope e ma me and I'm say me deliver message e wo media na supiem nemum ubetimi the message na yede ama me na ma passe ama me nua be ma de be kum chacha oyere ebete eye na yera wo boni dini eye de be ye nua ye sister epenini akohia sewa
Abusia Councilor lutterodt ababonte abemeki a wild allegations against Dady Lumba the busuafo a wotrese near Dady Lumba abusuafo aye no ma Dady Lumba ada ne samanchen ya wontimi nkwa asabre de wogina ne fie no aboboa no a what's in the swift say Ebusiano, Edna de Jamun sem ababeto abonzi, and ye no qua. Prophetess perpetual so Eddie be ababe P Councilor lutterodt Deniswa, Eba 9 and Yenia Quaco and some senior is it answer never pono. Make I will say open your subscribers so now the bell account. Send a banner upload me to when the first person ya won't say a bit kind. I can be Ebusia, see a boy Eddie and some new dear fee said that Lumba at all for 1 year. I will say another movie there train we and that were Independence Square, Ghana for United and it's rather a cockatcher would drop pass from go at the Maya Juntini Yawaka and Chine Egumeche that the Lumba Charles Kojofusu, Nasum and a making any I don't so form a brina and a cocoa piumu or why you who sa quadie, you who quabna, you who bulare, you who fear or dog, and the woman can be brina and a cocoa piumu or now video night see etchino and send some ya a media so and a council lutterodt edna no atu been a watcher said near Dady Lumba busuafo ayen we do who ya ye pa if it's a woman say a mamreni a mania and what a year a young when it's a ubi wa a quiet difference on what I say sa book of condolences now woman be I would Dady Lumba fee ama a domino air coho air quaco sign and for so be and society no mayano and no nam so ama Dady Lumba wadane some chain ya would jenny fee and quiet no what's in the super if you say a busiano edna de jamun semina about the trouble say aside no ye and for so be any so you put it in a council lutterodt some no is fire bar near perpetual don't so air canon yet the babeta so at the amam.
The woman is constantly asking, why has he not revealed himself? They should ask her. That is the last one before she goes to put her head on pillow. Or maybe we are seeing kind of the one here. The person must come back home to come and put things in order. You've opened his gate. What is book of condolence? If they're creating arts agency, whatever, if they know tradition very carefully and custom, the best place to open the book of condolence was a public place so that those who matter can go to the house to go and sit. Are you aware that when people die, before you sit, there are specific people that must pour libation before you sit for greetings? Are you aware? You can't hug a widow.
Yeah.
Are you aware?
Because no cry yeah, because you're yeah, then
haven't you seen the widow, the supposed widow, in videos with people? Who are in this country? I said this, you didn't take it. Late John Kuma, when the wife was speaking, I told someone to go and tell her if she wants to continue her life, she should shut up. I said it, and there was a reason. We don't deal with with a dead body just for anything. I deal with dead bodies. And I'm saying again, take it whatever you want to take it. That the Lumba is at the entrance of his house. He is offended.
Ojina nifie abobu nenim ni wafu enti
Ebusia, oh Bible.
yes.
First Samuel chapter 20 verse 7.
First Samuel 28:7. Okay.
If you don't see us away, when now see me as of for.
Maybe.
Kind.
Then said Saul unto his servant, seek me a woman that hath a familiar spirit, that I may go to her and inquire of her. And his servant said to him, behold, there is a woman that hath a familiar spirit at Endor.
Continue. Verse
And
8.
Saul disguised himself and put on other raiment, and he went.
And he went at night.
And 2 men with him. And they came to the woman by night. And he said, I pray thee, divine unto me by the familiar spirit, and bring me him up, whom I shall name unto thee.
Whatever you are reading, you are not reading anything. You are reading King James or New King James. Even what I'm trying to let you know that biblically, consulting to know the soul where he is was done biblically by people who are working with God. Necromancy is not demonic. It's not. I'm repeating that the Lumba soul is at the entrance and he is not happy. You have opened his privacy once he has not finished what he's supposed to do. In the name of Book of Condolence.
First Samuel
28. You can read from continue from verse 7 quickly so that you get what I'm talking about.
New King James on.
No, yeah, NIV. NIV will help you. Yeah, call. Original manuscript. 28. First Samuel 28. When I can 8 and 9.
Then Saul said to his attendant,
yes,
find me a woman.
Yes.
Who is a medium.
Thank you.
So I may go and inquire of her.
Good.
Okay.
And this is happening because traditionally this is our belief. Mama ye microphone ye culture ni understanding. Eya me yase papa gina ho odumi wura fi ho. Di okoye de ebusuafo koye hwehwe no hu di okakoye. Na ye ka chia. Uchie pie de na bi pie koye. Mama na tra se gentia no. Okurani ba no, de ase ye ma na se no tra se gentia no. Mo ye ya na.
But do you know that omwaye?
Bra,
the family meditation in family, the head of the family, Abekasa, I think 3 days ago. Now there were issues about so yen the year on yen the year so yen me person me can't say be na what was my
won't come babu ni we yo. Can we answer? Me catch us say me person no to say be ya. Ye who from am go no yire do maso. Ye radio na coffee.
To
Bible no yesterday to home. Me come in am say paraphrase. Producer boy no nya na bi no kan yen ko. Eti dia me kan ni tintin ni tietie mu an nyina ne say. Ni tintin ni tietie mu nyina. Call Google search na bo first Samuel chapter 28. Ebe ma ni nyina NIV.
O ma ni nyina o ma no kakra bi ba.
NIV code 9
7 to 15.
Ko
King Saul desperate for guidance after God had abandoned him.
Okay, from what verse are you reading? Not from verse 1. Yeah. Read from verse 7 or 8. Young quantum. Yeah, we think for time. What I'm trying to let you know is that in the
find me, or Saul said to his attendant, find me a woman who is a medium, so I may go and inquire of her. There is one in Edo, they said. So Saul disguised himself, putting on other clothes, and at night he went. And 2 men went to the woman. Consult a spirit for me, he said.
Thank you.
And bring up for me the one I name. But the woman said to him, surely you know that Saul has done. And you know what Saul has done. He has cut off the medium and spirit from the land. Why have you set a trap for my life to bring about my death?
All I want you to know is that he went to consult a medium to know. Eti ye fro bi sunsum a susuma na bi le monitor le ni ye fre ni sunsum bi say den na see ye ni pacho. It is biblical, and I'm saying, say the man we are all making noise, we are mourning. We have traditionally truncated the process, so he's at the entrance. We have opened his privacy to people that are not supposed to enter before him. They went ahead of him. And here, the implications. Ye call hospital. Now ye obi akọ to ya resab na ni panic and chinigu a. Ye mfa telephone frɛ wɔ hospital say we there bi. Ye be fie e be gi nsuo, ye ma wo nsuo nom ebo amane ansa. Ye mpre ye ho nka say George Lutot. Wewu there bi. And the time e baba ye bebo nkra wi a ye be gi su wo fie ho no. Na sunsum na ba. Oba ya na aye ne di nsuo gu fom. Ye bisa empanyifo. Na ye se mu hu se ani na komocho om se han ne. So there we know a familiar spirit, a non-spirit in our family. Every family has a familiar spirit. Me, my family has a familiar spirit. You, your family has. And they duplicate themselves to help us. This error, if you don't correct it, I'm telling you, let's give Dady Lumba a state burial. The soul will never go. And we will suffer for that.
Why anyone?
Those who are going to be part of the game. You're going to wear a candlelight, what? A whole tourism that you know what tradition is. Is that what we're supposed to do? Is that what we are supposed to do? Me say, that gate that is opened, they open it because it's a book of what? Condolence. If you want to open book of condolence in such incidents, families do a lot of things in the morning. Nyama. Book of condolence. Obi kuku them say, be kasia public one. And mamre. Jami can say book of condolence in mamre. Can we show people that look at YouTube right now? Look at the streams. The way Dady Lumba is going up there because he's no more. Okay, agreed. Can we also do a lot of traditional cultural things for those people at the other side to believe and learn? Because the priest in Kolani Nimoshe, they don't know what funeral is. They don't have an idea about what is going on. I'm telling you, take the word from me. The soul of the man is at the entrance. He is not happy. His thing has been opened. He can't enter. And nobody can push him inside until they inquire. Because the things they need to push him inside, I won't tell them. And I'm not asking them to come to me. No. I've seen it. Yesterday night, I saw him. He's there. The soul is there. It could be a familiar spirit. I don't care.
Did you pass there or you saw? I mean, at times.
If I answer you, you'll be happy. But I've told you from the beginning that this conversation, I will be happy that you host. Because when they blow the air, you will not be available. Mekebio say, "I didn't na bear tina uwa." Ni asi ya ntu ne prumansa. Okura yo no enye bosomsimo ni mukura yo. Okura yo nya hwe yo. Woni be man na da ban ho. Ndi ye gya to say, esi a ye gya ye ni wia ye ma ho kwan set na fie man ko ba bia. Adenti a woni na da ban ho. E bia wafefu amabusua no. Enti ye ma bosomi nkron akwantuo. Ni ye hwe say ye fu ni be bia na. Se MP a ni ye afituntuma ma ofita ase ko. Enya bosonsom.
That's true. That's how it is.
So we keep you not because of anything. No, it's not human right issue. So that we know that if you are pregnant, you are sleeping with him alone. Pregnancy can only be known when the tummy is out. So when we leave you and you're walking after this thing, maybe somebody could have impregnated you. How do we name a grandchild that must be called Paco? Forgive. Because at the end of the day, your husband was an heir and you left and went to get. Is it not in the Bible? Check your Bible. Perez. The child Perez. What's the process? Tama married the man the father-in-law gave him children, and the last son had sexual intercourse and spilled the spermatozoa because he didn't want to make a child with the brother's wife. And God's anger came, killed him. Then the father left him and said, I will groom my lastborn for you. When the father-in-law refused to groom the lastborn, remember, he was going to the city where Tamar was to go and share his sheep. When he got there, Tamar heard the father-in-law was coming. Where dear CJ, or so the Koran famano, no Jan, who Sisan, who despise and who come, Gina Janshi, I do one so no say a dear Gina who yamife, a two Jemu for Jem Kalani okay, Wakatan who dear Minyanka, Mary, near the man, or any wood dear Muhono, catch and say, Media me Bahasa Mechen guy, and just in a den now, the man was in Basa Mechen guy, and me, we have more Jan was your Johnny Wabontain, or Bass Marty, or so Johnny Wabontin was in Impo, you know Wabontin, Mamia Shensu, dear Gina so and pass what for me? No man any authoritative staff. Our quality say, Neba now, or say, Chamema, Kuno, Awenyamano. I say, Mongo Fanny Brad, but I send you because I don't know. Or Cranny, want to make him what Maria young Mauku. There ain't a bad or see me to say my young so. Nanipo, Yemen Meno. Wait, not the mommy. Or shine. Any other will Perez. It's a shrine in our constitution. When issues like this happen, let's exhibit our tradition. This thing I'm saying, anybody in the family that believes or not, inquire where is the soul of our sign, because somebody says he's standing at the entrance. Whoever challenges me, I walk here with only 2 items and let him stand in front of the man and we'll push him away.
Councilor Lutterodt and our team, he's speaking passionately about this
because it's painful. It's painful. There's a young man speaking. Our daddy Lumba plenty.
And the Busia send your Councilor Lutterodt see Ache and Semnu Asi Afa. Ya watches and Kagana Hano Yamamreni Amani and Nebrasu say it was say, Yashimokina. Near Che and Chilimanifise, Ubiwa, and yes, and the Panewuke. You will never be a defaso, and then Abba Funabana say, Yasumi Bia as our now to say a kind of Temponia Pacofa, Anka and no, and a quine pana, a boy, and a councillor to say no ever to Jano, and as of Mamma Perpetua Donko, or TikTok, one also air tressy and the Swadi Hunu, Yano, the beer dear dancer said that Lumba would not know, won't call ye. My minister won't call your cry. Would Jennifer Quana send the councillor a cana one also, or sin so no quite what say. That the Lumba ebe can be chen or no, be chrono catching the wool, yes of will be now design some no out to my ears of Penicum Chacha, and all the signs some ever to in my face. So that the Lumba gates man and a watches was so that Lumba more catcher that Lumba said, Papa, won't me refuge of his own. Well, cool. Send me person me the hono. I am saying to be taking years and son of my head the hono. Na, me da hono more and yaman abamen channel. To be frank, a shokome, a chimin sem. Legend to Bamin Chasa more kaya and a seminiaba. Menyanenti, yes, say. Unipe free body more. I know what you mean, a wakasa. And into me person in my one kara. Now the muddy bay. Oba papebi. Mere bakope. And mammy. And I'm say, mean deliver message. Media no supium. Nemum, ubeti me the message na yede. Amame, nama passe. Ama minu ya bema diebe. Kum chacha, o yere, ebete. Eye na yera wo boni dini, eye diebe. Ye nua, ye sister, epenini. Akoshia sewa. Oba fefe, ya wo jameni. Ai, enam ne so, amene. Ye nyina yete legends. Enka. Ye nimi se, ye sister Teliza ne starte ye. Any be see the bay, or no should be real alcohol. Into Yamisha and power basewa. The message did mean to me infantry here, and then a mabud in a semicasa made the Bema de bay. You knew a Bema cum chacha, no should you to say. Meet media mocum chacha, son, so look cum chacha ye free. Na yen fun on entron chain. Yam yam me more, be me beside the questions be. Na question me beside, and I'm person will share you. I'm person that you have men chilimba. Na dachi be anywhere. Ketelemanya day, emperor. Ebia na bibi chiru obi adwene.
Usu timifa debe Lumba and messaging. Now so the other it too for. Me who no one make Casana would deliver message a man from Madiabe. Yet, yes, Sister Penny. Akosia sewa. Mammy papabi, Auntie Ahmo Fenno. And I miss me beside a question say. On say home from no. Na I say, me tremble when you fear anymore. And I may be sad say. And then 3 days, me be tremble will fear anymore. And I know what's your white. No, we do not fear anymore. What's your white too? And no, we do not fear no anymore. What's your white shirts? And I try white. Just what Tims was seeing who watch the so a legend and cassa. Watch the say, wouldn't dressing this one cassa. So what I say. And I'm seeing who you know. No, we do not fear anymore. But me quiet, me baby mono. Now for winning a woe, but now what the fear anymore. Na man tia say, and person me bisa say. A DNT, and a legend can see and say, we do not fear anymore. I won't know any fear what Timothy see or free mu. I didn't think that we do not fear anymore. Na no one no be you no. Ama me wia, nya me be fa me so, na ma chirchire mu wa. Na sem o kan ye ne say, me nua ba. Me da me dem, o so wada ne dem o. E no hu so obi ato ahye ne so. Enti nipa ne to hye ne so no one na struggle. One na struggle. En woti me gye ne ho. En wo dwane free ne dem ho. En wo diri me ka pia bonitene. En wo kwatie mu. E kwatwe dom tie story no. En ni kapa fantastic. En wo kwatwe dom. Enti dom na kwatwe so mo meboa no. Na wontimi nyi sa nipa bonni ya. Wato no wone dem hui. Ya wo pese wo ye ne nyedo yi. Wonyini nyede emfiri ho ma no. Na reina edom no so diri mrika se wa woni se Dady Lumba de o dom wankasa enti eyem se wo tie mu na ena chese dom ni di hwi na ne o mu diri mrika ena o so mu bu fa so woni fie ho ena mu wura fie ho enti o mu wura fie ho no mo no ena o so wura mu bi enti de o mu ya ne se skility aso ni mu eye ne skility o aso ni mu ede na begina abonten abegina ne fie nanim ho se wontimi nwura de ebe inside ho esanse waye de wowu hey ketremampro asemi kesi nti ese mi deliver to her na dachi bia me nso mi ni wa ebia nya me be ma muso ko yi mi so me di akire obi said ye kodofo so be yi ni di akire mi enu nti na ma mi hu so wo gina de be anim ho no skeleton ni si wontimi nwura inside na onuadofo wo gina ni fie na anim ho honhom fam said ye nyame ma mi hu no legend kese ye nim no Dady Lumba ye nim no kodofo so ye nim no emma dudu oku no emre bi beba ami akase wontimi nwura ni fie aposifo we asojafo we president ye papa despite no edomo onim wo name them edi na chese wontimi nwura ni fie but spirit asonensa asonimu ono ane kofre dom no ene odo mu wura ni fie ho so obi atoa no wone dem epese wo ye ne nyedoa eni nto mo mesonimu na wonche sa nipa abonyi no emfiri ho nanso wo wura dom ni mo no wone dom ne ko no edom bebrebe wura fie ho no no spirit ne timetwe wono nko a edi ni begina wono ani fie nanimu se wontimi nwura ho essence wa ye dey wo
ntabusi afi ensamno ede yakwakuti abana mesre se ubeja wo comment e wo comment section ho ede ama me na afi omi subscribe button so eye too much gh eya kai se odi be odi be kan wo ye ne sana go se upload ni to mape pro na afo na bo wonkaye no tine wo se ne ensamno ni nyina esitie all the social media platforms so ko wa eye too much gh o subscribe na wa like it na wa share na wo nwa bi nso ani bi ahwe dark gold enemy din ye bese share